No, it's crosswise. Okay, this is Richard. He's measuring out and putting some marking tape for grab bars along this tub to make it more safer. Hello, Richard.
Hello.
And he just installed this one over here, and now he's going to put a grab bar in along this wall. Got a special ceramic bit, and he knows where the studs are, so, or he'll use fasteners if he needs to. He's putting this long grab bar in. All those years of carpentry helps him, and tile work helps him to know how to do this correctly, so it doesn't cause any damage to the existing tile and scratch anything up. Just put that one on. Now he's getting ready to install this one. Okay, and that's about the end of the videotape of Richard installing 2 safety grab bars into a house, and so that the person can get in and out of the tub safely and easily if they have a handicap. This bar here is set at handicap. This bar here is set at the ADA handicap's height, and the other one's going to be lower for when they're laying in the tub and they need to reach up and get out. Then they can get a hold of this one, or if they're standing here taking a shower, they can use this bar to assist them for safety purposes from slipping or falling.